Okay. Yes, we welcome you back to PSSB, Physical Sciences Silver Bullet. And it's me, Richard, once again. Today we are looking at this question. It says, when the driver of the car turns sharply the corner, the empty bottle on the front seat rolls to the right. And the question says, state the direction of the turn the driver or the car made. I hope the question is very clear here. The question says that during the turn, when the driver is turning the corner, the empty bottle which is on the front seat rolls to the right. And the question says, in which direction did the car turn? Okay, you have to remember that in accordance to Newton's first law, when the car is moving and is moving with uniform velocity, it will tend to remain in that state. I want you have to remember that velocity is a vector quantity. It has both magnitude and direction. So it means the car moving straight. So in the case of the turning, sudden turning, the passengers and all the objects which are loose, they tend to move in opposite direction. Why? Because they tend to remain in a straight line. That is in accordance to Newton's first law. So when you analyze this question, if the bottle rolls to the right, in which direction did the car turn? The car turned left. So the bottle rolls to the right to remain in the straight line, or to remain with the same velocity, because the velocity has both components. It has magnitude and direction. So let us put that one down. Okay. Then comes this question. It says, state whether the following is true or false. The first one says, a heavy truck is harder to push, to kickstart, compared to a smaller car. Is it true or false? The answer is true. Okay, remember, this is inertia. Inertia is proportional to mass. The bigger the mass, the bigger the inertia. We have to recall, what is inertia? The body's reluctance to stop moving if it's in motion, and to start moving if it is at rest. There is that reluctance, there is that disobedience, unwantedness of a body to start moving if it's at rest. It doesn't wish to move if it's at rest. Or if it's in motion, stopping it becomes a problem. It wants to remain in motion. So when you look at here, we are having a heavy truck. And the heavy truck has a bigger mass compared to the car. So it has a bigger inertia. So the tendency of it to start moving when it is at rest is bigger. That tendency is what we call inertia. So the answer is true. Okay. Then comes the next question. It says a heavy truck is harder to stop when in motion compared to a smaller car. Is it true or false? The answer is it is true. It is harder to stop because it has a bigger mass. Inertia is bigger, the bigger is the mass. So with that, we would like to thank you for your time. The channel is PSSB, Physical Sciences Silver Bullet. Yeah, see you next time. Bye bye. Don't forget to subscribe. You will not regret. Bye.